because of the shared concept of mutual respect, shared equal well-being situations. But again, I want to move further beyond each of us to be able to experience this daily. Let me very quickly mention a personal anecdote.
So this is China Radio International, and it is direct from China on 11790. This is a transmission from the Xi'an transmitter site, and it is meant to be for Southeast Asia, but shows you how propagation is good tonight. 11790, China's coming in pretty well. This is the English language of China. Fast fading is often an indication you're getting a signal from Asia and North America, because often the signal will actually travel across the North Pole, and this of course adds a lot of propagation disturbances, because the magnetic pole is there, and that's where, if anything happens on the sun, or if there's any instability in the solar activity or geomagnetic field, that's always where it is first seen. So if you hear a lot of trembling in a signal, think about a signal that's actually crossing either the North Pole or the South Pole, depending where you are. So 2340 UTC roughly, and here in Montreal it's equivalent to about 7:40 p.m. Sun is setting here, and telescopic antenna, Tecsun S-2200x, China Radio International, direct from China in English, 11790 kilohertz.